It's time to ante up, cowpokes, because in today's episode, we're talking all about blinds and the basics of betting. Hey Internet, it's your old friend Dominic here with AmericanCasinoGuide.com. Before I get into today's video, do me a favor and ante up yourself by hitting that red subscribe button and giving that little notification bell a ring. So I get a lot of questions about betting. So for that reason, I decided to dedicate part 4 of our 13-part series on poker to blinds and antes, hopefully explaining the basics of betting in the process. So let's begin with what is an ante? Simply put, it's a mandatory bet or wager that you'll find in stud and draw poker games that each player is obligated to make before getting any cards or participating in the hand. Essentially, if you want to play, you gotta pay. Now poker. The ante is usually a singular unit and should be the smallest value allowed at the table, typically $1, unless you're playing higher or lower stakes, or perhaps you're participating in some kind of tournament with antes that increase over time. Without an ante, pots would be smaller, and ultimately you would have no financial incentive to play your weak hands and could just fold and get out of a hand at no risk.
I fold.
What do you mean you fold? Hey, come on, what is this?
Antes entice players to stay in the hand, increasing the pot size, and overall making the game more enjoyable and more interesting for everyone. Talking about bets, I bet that you'll love our page on poker, so visit our website, AmericanCasinoGuide.com. When it comes to Texas Hold'em though, or its crazy cousin Omaha, things are a bit different. Antes are replaced with the small and big blinds. And blinds function in much the same way as antes and pretty much serve the same exact purpose, with just a few notable differences. The biggest difference is that unlike antes, where every player at the table is obligated to make one before the hand, only 2 players, the player to the left of the dealer, who is the small blind, and the one to the left of them, the big blind, need to make a wager before cards are dealt. This mandatory pre-hand bet is why they are called blinds, because these players are the only players who must wager money before seeing their cards. Hence, they are going into the hand blind. The other big difference is that blinds are not equal. The big blind is actually twice the amount of the small, hence the big and small monikers, and like antes, change in value in tournament play as time goes on. The important thing to remember is that the dealer position will pass left at the conclusion of every hand, moving the big and small blinds with it.
Now it's your turn.
So that concludes our basic lesson on antes and blinds. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. While you're at it, do me a favor and clickety-clack that like button and pound that big red subscribe button and ring-a-ding-ding that notification bell. My name is Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.